my name is Rashi Singh. I am from Computer Science branch, studying at Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology. This is my 4th year and I have opted for placements at Wipro and Infosys. The package of Wipro is 3.5 lakhs per annum and Infosys is 3.6 lakhs per annum. I have great support from my teachers throughout the 4th year, and not even 4th year, I have been in contact with my teachers from 1st year, and they have been a constant support for me in my placements, in my overall development. Thank you.
My name is Anubhuti Srivastava. I would gladly like to state that I got placed in 2 companies. First, Setcos, which was offering me 2.5 LPA, opportunity of more package, so I opted for topper and I got 5 LPA in that. I would like to thank the staff, the faculty members and the HOD as well for offering me a great help, for guiding me right path and always being a support.
My name is Syed Tariq Mustafa. I am pursuing my BTech from Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology. I am very happy to announce that I got placed in Setcos Technologies in a position of content writing. I am very overwhelmed. My journey at Ambalika was very nice. Every teacher, every faculty member is very cooperative. They are like your parents. I am very happy that I was part of an Ambalika family. Thank you.
Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology.
My name is Anupriya Saxena and I got placed in 2 companies, that is Setcos and Cognizant, with the post of programmer analyst, and my LPA is 4 LPA. I would like to thank my college for giving me multiple opportunities, Computer Science and Engineering department, my HOD, my faculties who have helped me a lot in every aspect. Thank you.
हेलो, मेरा नाम आशीष कनौजिया और मैं कंप्यूटर साइंस ब्रांच से हूँ। मुझे कॉलेज द्वारा 3 जगह प्लेसमेंट मिला, 1 नॉन टेक में, 2 नॉन टेक में, 1 टेक में, और अभी मैं 1 जगह कर रहा हूँ एक्सो इन्फोटेक, वहाँ पर 2.4 LPA में कार्य कर रहा हूँ। और इसके अलावा मुझे 2 प्लेसमेंट और मिले हैं, तो इसके लिए मैं कॉलेज को थैंक यू बोलूँगा। कॉलेज में बहुत सुविधाएं प्राप्त की, कॉलेज ने मुझे इसके लिए पूरी ट्रेनिंग कराई और कैसे कैसे काम करना है, 3 चीज़ों पर काम करना है, अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी करनी, सब ध्यान दिया, प्लस मुझे एप्टीट्यूड वगैरह सब तैयारी कराई, इससे मुझे 3 प्लेसमेंट मिले, तो कॉलेज में थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा।
Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Pal. I am a 2020 batch pass out student of Ambalika Institute of Management Technology. I am finally selected in Toppers Technology Private Limited with package 3 lakh. Achieving this opportunity, college placement department and faculty members helped me a lot in this my journey of Bachelor of Technology. Thank you so much.
Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology.
Hey everyone, this is Kuldeep Kumar and I am pursuing ECE from Ambalika Institute of Management Technology. I am the final year student. I got placed in 3 different companies with the package respectively 2.4, 2.4 and 3 lakhs per annum. Well, the kind of journey I am having with Ambalika is awesome. We have supporting and caring people around us. They are helping to grow and showcase what our talents and educational background is. Well, I am happy to be here.
Myself Ishita Tiwari from BTech CS. I got placed in Infosys and my package is 3.6. I have got a constant support from my faculty members and from my parents. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aparna Trivedi. I am pursuing Computer Science and Engineering branch from Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology. I am placed in Wipro Technologies at the designation of Software Development Trainee. My current package is 3.5 LPA and I would like to thank all my family members, professors and especially my placement department for giving me an opportunity to explore myself, ready me according to the need of the industry. Thank you Placement Department and Ambalika.
Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology.
Hello everyone, my name is Neha Rajput and I have got placed from my college Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology, and I am selected for 2 companies. Firstly is Exo Infotech, and in that my profile was developer, but secondly I've got more package company which is Setcos. Thank you for everything, and I would love to suggest anyone related to me to join this college for further enhancement in his future. Thank you.
कॉलेज का नाम सुना था पहले, तो मैंने बच्ची को एडमिशन दिलाया और टीचर लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत करवाई और बच्चे भी मेहनत से अपनी एक कंपनी में उनका सिलेक्शन हो गया है, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई।
इंस्टीट्यूट में बच्चों को अगर कैंपस में कंपनियां आती हैं तो कंपनियों से कैंपस में अगर हो जाता है तो बच्चों का मनोबल बढ़ता है और ये बच्चे मेहनत से फिर आगे भी अपना अच्छा काम करके आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो कॉलेज का अच्छा मतलब कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा कि अच्छी कंपनियां बुला के इन लोग ने अपना प्लेसमेंट यहाँ के बच्चों को दिलाया और इसके लिए हम आभारी हैं यहाँ के संस्थान के।
Balika Institute of Management and Technology.